Hello, my name is Rafal Januszkiewicz. I'm based in Poland and I'm Global Procurement Director in Dinex. I joined Dinex 4.5 years ago and have overall 18 years experience in procurement field from different industries. Industries such as home appliance, railway or pump manufacturing. As a procurement director, my main objective is to create and execute sourcing strategies with aim to procure raw materials, components and services at lowest possible cost, highest quality, and ensure Dinex locations will get them on time. That requires strong collaboration with external suppliers and internal stakeholders like quality and engineering. Together with group procurement members located across the globe, we ensured procurement compliance and the same standard across all legal entities. I like working in Dinex due to the quick decision-making process. Dinex is a company that enables you to implement brilliant ideas almost immediately without wasting a time which I observed in other companies. That's a big benefit. Multinational environment and feeling that I have a direct impact and influence on the business. We are today in Dinex Turkey, but 2 weeks back I visited newly established facility in India, Pune. I was satisfied that time staying in front of assembly line that was just installed. I was satisfied because I saw the good results and efforts we put back in the days when we negotiated the contract with the supplier and aligned on the technical requirements for this new line. So that was the great feeling.
The dynamics and opportunity to develop skills outside standard procurement is something that keeps me engaged. Procurement competence are not just about the negotiations and suppliers management. I contribute every day by providing essential input to operations, finance and sales, what keeps me motivated and let me develop myself.